Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're cooking steak without a cast iron skillet. In this video we demonstrate the cold sear method using a non-stick skillet. We love this method because it produces a notably larger edge-to-edge juicy interior with a thin crisp crust. Will you look at that perfectly cooked super juicy steak? To begin, place the room temperature steak on a cold non-stick pan. Turn the flame up to medium-high heat and cook for 3 minutes on the top, bottom, and sides. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for 2 minutes on all sides to build a nice crust. Now turn the heat to medium-low and add unsalted butter, garlic cloves, rosemary, and thyme. Baste the steak with the flavored butter, turning it every minute or so, or until an instant thermometer inserted into the center of the steak registers for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare steak. Remove the steak and place it on a cutting board or platter and cover with aluminum foil and rest for 5 minutes. Now sprinkle with coarse salt and pepper. Serve immediately with the roasted garlic. And there you have it. We love this method because it's so easy. If you want to learn more about the 4 other ways on how to cook ribeye steak without a cast iron skillet, please take a look at our post. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching our video. If you make this steak, please tell us in the comments. We love hearing from you guys.